new gamers. Today we're playing Gun and we're reviewing a gun, a shotgun, a Photon shotgun. But yeah, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and let's review it. And it's only upgrade 1, because I'm not level, I'm 22, 3 or whatever. It's a good shotgun. And if you have the headphones thing, it will give you more damage. Let's go to... It's a very good shotgun, okay? Just don't judge me. You can gun... Oh my god, hashtag gamers, guys, because I talk very good. And for a shotgun, you need to be close to somebody and shoot it in the head, and it will be a headshot. I recommend it will one shot or 2 shot someone. So yeah, let's do this, and this is hard to make probably because it's been a while since I recorded, and a while means yesterday. Yeah. Okay. Can you upload? Come on. Hello, loading screen, my friend. Okay. Someone died. This is gonna be hard probably because people have a little more powerful weapons. A little more. Hey, we're the winning side, so yeah. Hehe. This is my first video reviewing a gun, a pixel gun 3D reviewing. Yeah. Subscribe for more if you want to. Please. I need YouTube subs. Okay. I can see this going really good. Oh god, this is great. This is the greatest team ever. Oh god, no. Let's find someone. That's not overpowered. Did I kill them? Kill something. Kill someone. Oh, 2 shots. Headshots. Oh god. No thank you. Don't you die. See? I killed 2 people like 2 shots. It's overpowered. Why would you put this in your pool? Oh. Say grenade, but we don't have a grenade. No move. No. No thank you. I don't want to die. Come on. For real. This gun works. Come on. I'm just slow, very slow. I killed just 2 people, so that's something, right? Oh god. That would be a great kill. No. Kill! It's just the lag. They move a lot. It's just the lag. It's just the lag, bro. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? I cannot see who's killing me. Oh. Okay. Die. No. Okay. Thank you for killing me. Please don't freaking. For real. I'm gonna get kills from this. Up. Bye. Hey, I killed someone, but not with the shotgun. Ow! No. What? Who killed? How? Thank you. Hacker. Yeah. Die. Just. Wow. And guys, I'm just bad. I'm bad. It's not the shotgun, it's me. It's the player. It's always the player. my god, guys, can I kill someone? I wish I can kill someone. Oh, trying to aim down and just do this. Oh, come on! You're annoying. You're annoying. Kill. What the? Have you? Yes! I killed someone! Oh no, he's gonna try to kill me. Hey! Dude. I believe I can fly. No! Haha. Kill like what? 2 people? 1 people? With this shotgun? Photon shot? What? Ah! No. Oh, kill one! Ah. And team battle we're losing. Ah. Die! No, what the heck? Hey, team die. It does 1 shot and go to glow. Very close range. Apps. Did I kill someone? Oh. There weren't so much lag. Warning. I said warning. Skip this part. I suck. I suck. I suck. Just saying. I'm bad at this game. I don't know how I have a lot of kills. In the end of this episode, I'm gonna show you. Die! Yes! It's 1 shot. It's 1 shot. Kind of. You aim in the head. It's 1 shot. Oh my god, it's very laggy. I quit. The shotgun is very good. It's my favorite shotgun, but I just suck. Just saying. Just saying, guys. Well, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're new, guys. Yeah, if you want more of me raiding Pixelcon online, well, yeah, just leave a like and subscribe and comment if you want to. And my voice cracked. Great, I sound like an old man. Hello, unknown gamers. I'm gonna do YouTube for a while, probably. Oh. Okay, you guys can skip this bit. Hello, loading screen, my old friend. Oh my god, hurry up. Ah, god, my voice. I won in team battles, some wins, of course, a lot of times, and I killed this much of people. I don't know how. And yeah, that. And that. Who's on first? Okay. Hashtag winning. Yeah. Pine gamer. Oh my god, my boys. Sorry about that. But yeah, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next episode. Yeah, I say that twice, but I don't care. And are we... Nope. 5 hours. Bye. Lol.